Okay, so this is really cool. These are some Christmas greeting cards that I just generated using Gemini AI. Of course, on every instance, the photo was different, but I was using the exact same prompt every single time, and yet Gemini was able to come up with a new design or a different layout every single time on every single photo. So this is actually a really cool feature that we can utilize in Gemini, so you can create a more dynamic and unique looking Christmas greeting card with just one simple prompt. So let me show you how you can use it. So let's open Gemini, and of course you can also use the mobile app version of Gemini on your phone. Now, for this example, I'll use this family photo. I'll just copy it. And let's upload or paste that photo onto Gemini. Now, after that, after you have provided the photo, you can copy this very long prompt. And by the way, the prompt is available in the description down below. Don't worry about that. Just copy the prompt and let's paste that onto Gemini. Click Tools and enable the image generation feature, and I do recommend to enable the thinking mode because this will guarantee that it will be using Gemini Nano Banana Pro with the thinking in the background. So that thinking is very important because we need AI to analyze the image first before doing anything. So it will look into the visual and will try to apply the most appropriate design based on the photo. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to add another thread. So I'll use a different photo just to prove to you that this will generate a different design every single time on every single photo. So let me just use this photo and I'm going to just copy and paste the prompt again. I'll just do it quickly. Click this, create images, thinking, and click submit. Now, the first photo was just a regular family photo, but the second one is just someone standing. So it will actually understand if the photo contains one person or multiple people because it might affect the message at the bottom. So sometimes Gemini may add some personal message, but don't worry if you don't like the text, you can always tell AI to change or modify the text. Okay, there you go. So this is the design from the family photo, and here it says your personalized message. You can actually continue the conversation normally. You can tell Gemini that, hey, I don't like that template, please change that. Maybe you want to change the color, you want to add your name, you can do that. It is just regular AI. You can describe what you want with just plain simple English. So this is the design for the family photo. Now on that person photo, well, we got this design. So yeah, they are different. Of course, there are some similarities because after all, we are actually narrowing the topic to Christmas greeting card. That's why there are some similarities, but more or less you can tell that they're not the same design anymore. There are enough differences to tell them apart, but I think this prompt is really cool. You can actually, if you don't like the design, you can click this redo button and AI will come up with a different design. So still the same photo, but the layout will be different. So it's really, really cool. So yeah, that's how you can generate a dynamic and more personalized Christmas greeting card using just a simple prompt that is available in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.